Rescue! Protect!
Here are a few announcements to help you start out the school year. This week is the first week back at school, also known as WOW Week, Week of Welcome. During this week, we will have lots of activities, and your class councils will have exclusive opportunities for your grade level.
On Friday, we will be having our first school-wide assembly where we will be having a modified bell schedule. We'll go over that later in this video.
Hey Trojan Nation, homecoming is right around the corner, which means it's time for you to run for homecoming court. If you're interested, head to B105 to pick up a form or fill out the following QR code. Applications will be due Tuesday, August 13th, promptly at 8 a.m. No exceptions.
Hey athletes, are you interested in playing this fall? Reminder that physicals are required for the following sports: air archery, bowling, cheerleading, football, girls volleyball, JV softball, and soft tennis. Get involved, Trojans!
Trojans, don't forget to wear your class colors or Trojan gear this Trojan Pride Friday at the Welcome Back Assembly taking place after period 2.
Hey there, Trojans. Don't forget to keep your student ID handy at all times. It is key for campus safety and identification. Your ID card is also used to pay for meals, our charting system, and for the resources in our library. In addition, you will also use your ID to register and enter fun school events. If you don't have an ID or need a replacement, stop by the library.
This week, each student will receive a school planner in their Period 1 class. This tool is useful for staying organized with schedules and assignments. Your planner will include important school information such as school rules, bell schedules, and calendars. Remember, your name should be written in pen at the top of each hall pass page, and a teacher's signature is required each time before you leave class. Do not lose your planner as there will be a $10 replacement fee.
Trojans, a great way to exude Trojan pride is by wearing Trojan gear. Also, every Friday is Trojan Pride Friday, so you can wear your school or class gear then. If you want to purchase new gear, come to B105 during non-instructional time or find us at regular season home football games.
Hey Trojans, I'm Maya McKeown, your ASMHS Vice President and MICC President for this school year. MICC stands for Mililani Interclub Council. Every month there will be MICC meetings where the vice presidents of clubs across campus will collaborate and get updated on information. I'm so excited to meet you all and see you at the first MICC meeting on August 13th after school in H-Quad.
Hi, my name is Logan and I am your Senate Chairperson and Hawaii State Student Council representative. Next week, you will be choosing your advisory class's senator and alternate senator. In our Senate meetings, we value student voice, and you'll have the opportunity to represent your peers as the senator for your advisory class. You'll also learn new information which you will relay back to your advisory class. Our first Senate meeting is on August 26th during period 2. I hope you'll be a part of this leadership opportunity.
Hey Dragons, I'm Christine Bacon, your class president. Here's the location of the Dragons Lair at C104 owned by Mr. Villegas. Let's have an amazing senior year.
Juniors, my name is Dakin Sorrell's class of 2026 president. You can find us at our advisors room at C103. Juniors, let's have an exciting year.
Hey class of 2027, it's me, Brayden, your sophomore class president. This year, our advisor, Mr. Kaling, has moved rooms to 0201. Let's start the school year strong. Go Koi Fish!
Hi freshmen, I'm Alexis Labarios, your class president. Our advisor is Ms. Respicio, and her room is here at 0105. We got this, freshmen.
Remember to stay connected, Trojans. Follow the Mililani High School Instagram page at Mililani Trojans. And remember to follow the Student Activities page at Mililani_HS_student_activities. Let's have a great school year.
We, the Associated Students of Mililani High School, are excited to serve you this school year.